Hey everybody, welcome back to Mission Control for another feature-focused video. In this video we're talking about Capture Link. Sometimes the capabilities of the full version of Capture are needed, and the console is linked to a PC running full Capture. The fixture patch details and the fixture selection will sync between the console and Capture. When the PC is connected to the same network as the console, you should be able to see the console listed at the bottom of the Universes tab in Capture. The console should link automatically, but if not, or if there are multiple Titan consoles on the network, you can manually select one from the list. While Capture is connected, the console will attempt to keep the show synchronized to the Capture show. If you add a fixture or change patch details in Capture, the changes will automatically be made on the console. If you add a fixture or makes changes to the patch on the console, the Capture will update. Selecting a fixture on one will select the fixture on the other. If you don't want this to happen, you can turn off the console link function in Capture. Some tips. For linking/sync to work properly, the external Capture version must be 2020, 2018, or the last version of Nexum. Older versions of Capture will only partially work. The fixture legend in Titan links to the unit property on the Capture fixture, and the unit number in Titan links to the channel property in Capture. For patching from Capture to Titan, see the Capture active fixture patch video linked in the description below. Starting Capture then Titan seems to make the link connection more reliable. So let's take a look at some of that. So here, I've got the Capture Setup window, and I've clicked on the Universes tab. Down here at the bottom, we'll see where it says Project Console link. And if we click on it, we can see that we can set it to disabled, to select our Titan Mobile, or if we had another console on the network, we can select that. We're going to be using our Titan Mobile, so we'll make sure it's selected on that. Here, I got version 14 of Titan on the Titan Go interface, as well as Capture in our upper left-hand corner. So if we see here, if we go ahead and select some of our fixtures, we can see that they select in Capture by turning red, as well as we can see that they're selected in our internal Capture. If we hit locate, of course, it locates on both things. If we were to select some of our fixtures, say our spot fixtures here, then we took our wheels to equal visualizer, and we'll locate them and make them a little easier to see while we do this, and we go to our position attribute. We can see that if we move them in our Z, they move on both. And we can always just undo that by going Avo and back. And again, till they're back in the correct place. If we were to patch a new fixture in Titan, it would also patch and Capture. So we can go to View and Patch. We'll go ahead and go to our personality list and select our BMFL, and we'll patch one. We'll exit out of here and close our patch view. Now if we go to Fixtures, we can see it here. Now if we go to our main Capture screen, we see it is added here. We can simply drag it from here onto our Capture window and then close this. Now if we go back to our Titan interface, we can see it is also in there, so we go ahead and hit locate. We can see it on both. If I was to drag the fixture around in Capture, we can see it also moves in Titan. If I exchange the fixture, it would change in both. So we'll go ahead and go to our features and groups here, and we'll go ahead and hit clear. We'll go into patch, fixtures, and we'll type in Martin and Viper, and we'll use a Viper Performance Extended, and we'll go ahead and tap it here, and we will exchange. And if we exit out here, select our fixture and then locate it, we see that it is working in both versions of Capture, internal and external. If I was to delete the fixture, it would delete it in both. So we go ahead and bring back up our fixtures and groups. And then we go ahead and hit patch, delete, and double tap this Viper, and hit clear. We now see that it is gone from both internal and external Capture. So that has been Capture Link in version 14 of Titan. I hope you learned something. Please subscribe, join us in our Facebook group at Avolites US, and join us next time. Thanks. Bye.